Happy Monday, everyone! Welcome back to Boracay. Guys! Namiss niyo ba yung mukha ko, guys? I'm still alive. Look at this beautiful weather here in Boracay Island. No, di ba? Nasaan na si Sara Labate busy? Ayan, guys, si Sara Labate naglilinis. Ayan, oh. Sara Labate, yeah. Hi ka naman dyan. Sabihin mo, hi. Hi. Guys. Pasaway, guys, yung mga pusa ko. Ayan yung mga ano ko dito, yung zoo. Hello, zoo. Hoy, zoo. Nice. Pumpkin, come here, pumpkin. I just haircut my dog. Look, pumpkin. Where are you? Cannot see you. Ang liit kasi ni pumpkin. Ayan, guys, I can feel the summer now in Boracay Island. Are you ready for summer? Saan kayo, guys? Where are you going for summer? This summer? Of course, come to Boracay Island. Baka manod. Ayun o. Ay, magayun. Puka Beach with my best friend. Hi ka naman dyan, mahal. Guys, we are going to sell suman. Sapin-sapin. Ano pa yun, mahal? Yung mga suman? Sapin-sapin. Biko. Ano pa yun? Ano pa yun? Pichi-pichi. Ayan, bili na kayo. Lalakaw muna kami, guys, dito sa Puka Beach, ha. Kasi ayan, guys, ayan na nga, guys. I thought they are going to knock down all the shops on the road, diba? Because it's 25 plus 5 or 6 meters from the main road. Look at this. Still, all the shop is still there, you know? Napaka-unfair naman yun, guys. So, akala ko, I thought they are going to knock it down, all the area there. Did you see, guys? Diba? It's close to the beach, diba? Ayan, all the way there. I thought it's gonna be gone, you know, but it's still there. Ewan kung ano, what's going on. Suman! Suman! Bili na kayo ng suman! Ayan, guys, if you're here in Boracay, don't forget to visit Puka Beach. It's really beautiful here. Ayan, guys. But it's malakas yung dito, guys. The water here is yung malakas yung current niya. Yun. But it's beautiful day. Beautiful. Ayan, guys. guys, nandito na sila ate sa uncle. Mahal, sigaw ka naman yan, suman. Suman! Bili na kayo ng suman. Puto, bibingka, bili na kayo. Guys, bili na kayo ng suman namin. Puto bongbong. Ah, my favorite puto bongbong. Tapos, ano pa yun? Ayan guys, maraming ano, it's so many Koreans here in Chinese. Here at Phuca Beach. Ayan, wow, ang ganda guys. Don't forget to visit Phuca Beach.
see guys, this along the along Phuca Beach, there's a new plant of coconut tree. So that's good, you know. So mabuti na agapan, hindi siya nababoy itong Phuca. Look, so many new coconut plant trees. That's I think ano, lalaki yan siya mga 10 years. Mahal, baka mahulugan ka ng niyog. Wala na akong best friend. Be careful. Oh my god, a lot of guys, if you walk here this along Phuca Beach, close to the coconut trees, you have to be very careful because there's still a lot of coconut. May maraming bunga guys. Ang ganda no? Naagapan siya guys. Kasi kung hindi ito maagapan, walay na, finish na si Phuca Beach. Ayan you guys, maraming mini tourist here. Yung mga nag-island hopping.
guys, we are just finished ronda from Puka Beach. It's really sunny here, guys, in Boracay Island. I can feel the heat of the summer. Are you ready for summer? Come to Boracay Island. Guys, see you here in Boracay Island. Ayan, guys, we just finished from Puka Beach, and me and my best friend, we are cooking ano guys, in English is taro leaves. Luluto kami ng ano yung ginataang laing, spicy, with sariwang, with fresh fish from the ocean, of course, from the ocean. Bagong ano siya, guys, bagong new catch from the ocean. So, because I'm from Bicol, I'm really good cook for ano, yung with coconut milk, may gata yung mga Bicolana. Yun. Guys, ang laki-laki. Talagang pinanganak na talaga akong laki ng eyebag. Nandiyan na talaga yan. Mahal. Ayan, guys, kasi is my best friend requested to cook for her taro leaves with coconut milk. Kaya lulutuan ko siya. Ay nako, guys, masisira na naman diet namin. Ayan, guys, thank you so much, guys, sa inyong lahat. Thank you for supporting Ronda Girls channel. Thank you sa mga loyal kong mga fans out there. Thank you, guys. And also say hi to Jasmine and June from, I think, Switzerland. I'm not sure. I think Switzerland, I forgot. Guys, nice to meet you, guys. Thank you for watching. Hi ma'am, hi dad. Hi to my ate Julie. Matutumba na ako. Ayan, guys, tinatanggalan namin ng ano, itong tangkay kasi this is not masarap. Ito lang yung ano, this is the yummy one. Yan. Okay, guys, thank you. We'll see you in my next video.